Welcome to another episode of Building My Veggie Garden. Have you ever seen this plant before? I wish you could be here to experience the aroma of this plant. It has been popping up all over our garden. We were ready to classify it in our book as an invasive species until my neighbor explained to us what kind of plant it was. So don't go anywhere, we are about to uncover the mystery. Hi there! We're always happy to see you in our garden. We are talking today about this mysterious plant. We were ready to classify it in our book as an invasive species until my neighbor explained to us what kind of plant it was. She has the tree planted next to our plot, so the tree naturally wants to expand into our plot. Its name is the curry leaf plant. If you have never heard of it, you are not alone. However, this is a very popular plant in India. This is why today we are exploring the cultural significance, culinary versatility, and surprising health benefits of the curry leaf plant, tracing its journey from ancient traditions to modern kitchens worldwide. For centuries, nestled in the heart of the Indian subcontinent, a humble yet extraordinary plant has thrived. Its leaves, unassuming in appearance, hold a secret, a potent aroma and a wealth of flavor that have enriched cuisines and traditions for generations. This is the story of Mariah Koenigii, the beloved curry leaf plant. In India, the curry leaf is more than just an ingredient, it's woven into the fabric of daily life. From the simplest home kitchens to elaborate festive meals, its distinct aroma is instantly recognizable. It's a staple in countless regional cuisines, lending its unique character to curries, lentil dishes, stir-fries, and savory snacks. The curry leaf holds significant cultural value. It's often one of the first plants a home gardener will cultivate. It is also an important plant in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Different parts of the plant, the leaves, roots, and bark, have been utilized for their therapeutic properties, believed to aid digestion, manage blood sugar levels, and possess anti-inflammatory qualities. The aroma and flavor of curry leaves have transcended geographical boundaries. As Indian diaspora communities spread across the globe, they carried with them the culinary traditions that embraced this essential ingredient. Today, chefs worldwide are discovering the unique depth and complexity that fresh curry leaves can bring to their creations, moving beyond traditional Indian cuisine. Beyond its culinary appeal, scientific research is beginning to validate some of the traditional uses of the curry leaf. Studies suggest the presence of antioxidants that may contribute to its potential health benefits and potential for anti-diabetic properties in laboratory settings. While more studies are needed, the initial findings are promising. By now you may be wondering if curry powder comes from the curry leaf plant. The answer is no. Even though these leaves may be used in Indian curry dishes, curry powder comes from many other spices and doesn't include the curry leaf plant. Our neighbor gardener explained to us how we could use the curry plant in some dishes, so we ventured into making our own recipe and seeing how the curry leaf shaped our dish. We used some ingredients coming from the garden, tomatillos, cilantro, and our guest of honor, the curry leaf plant. We combined them with some onion, garlic, garbanzo beans, coconut milk, and sour cream. This is how we prepared it. In a pan, we put some sesame seed oil. We caramelized the onions and garlic a little. Then we fried the tomatillos. We added some coconut milk to make the dish more flavorful. Some of the spices we used were sumac, ginger powder, coriander powder, and sesame seeds. Then we added the baby leaves of our curry leaf plant. We only picked the baby leaves because we wanted to make sure not to overpower the rest of the flavors. We also used soy sauce to enhance the salty flavor. We added the garbanzo beans and cilantro. Once all the ingredients were in the pan, except for the sour cream, we used a hand blender to smash half of the garbanzo beans. We let it cook for another minute or two. Then we served it with pita bread chips and some sour cream on top. We call this dish garbanzo and tomatillo curry. Delicious! We have also tried the curry leaf plant in soups and sauces. It gives a delicious flavor and aroma. If you are looking for an exotic plant to add to your garden, check out the curry leaf plant. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for tuning in. As always, it is a pleasure to have you in our garden. See you next time.